Hello, so what's up guys, myself Agrim Sharma and you're watching the interesting channel called Texts of Indians. Anything done in this video is just an animation or is done under the work of specialist. Don't try this at home. Thank you. Just subscribe our channel. Guys. So let's start our today's video. So today I have Angry Bird Bomb. Today I have Angry Bird Bomb. It's magic trick. It have many names in Haryana and Punjab and Chandigarh, and in western side in UP also its name is Listen Bomb. But in some places its name is Pop Up. But when its manufacturing is in China, its name was Pop Up. But now I have Made in India Bomb. Then its name is Angry Birds. So this is the bomb. You have seen it before also. And snappers. It's just a snapper. It's written that not for use for children under 8 years, but you can use it because there is no danger at all in these. And I have one packet and one more packet here with me. So it's written that no fireworks, no crackers, pollution free. Snapper's novel trick item: bang, drop it, throw it, step on it, snap it. Caution: carefully read other kitchens on side panel. Magic wrinkle sound contains 50 pieces. Trick noise makers made in India. And that's all. So here is it, and it just consists of one or two pieces. So I will do an experiment with these bombs, but you will see that experiments in my next video. Till then, bye and meet you in another video. Thank you.